Guys, good evening everyone. So today we are going to perform CPU log data into our EMR cluster. So for for running this process, so firstly, we are going to run our Spark application into our EMR cluster. So for that I am taking CPU log data, and then I have also prepared program for that. I have already created a script for my program. So here is my script, and then in my script, we don't have to put our local. If there is any local present master is there, then just remove that thing because we don't need local run. We will be going to run it on our cluster. So and after that, I am giving path name as s3n for because we are taking this file from our s3 bucket. So here I am providing that address. And another thing is that we have to go inside our AWS, and then inside our s3. There I have already created a bucket called request. So inside my bucket I already have uploaded log data file. So log data file in CSV format. So now let me upload my code also. So let me add files here. Then after that, I have to select my script. So I have put that script in this folder. So let me select that script, and then after selecting the script, just keep upload. So after uploading, after successful uploading, just close this window, and then after that you can see your CPU log data and your Python program script is ready. So now let's move to the another console. We have to go inside our EMR, and then here in EMR, so here we are going to create our cluster, and then this cluster I have already this is my previous cluster, so it is already terminated. So let me create another cluster. Firstly, just go and create a cluster by clicking create cluster, and then after that it will open a window. Then I will be going to name this cluster as it is, as default my cluster. So and here it is storing the logs file in in our s3 in this folder. So and I am also selecting a launch mode in a cluster. With the cluster, it will create a cluster. And then we can also do the step execution for step by step execution. And whatever we have added in steps for execution, so that our script will be executed on that way in a cluster. When we create a cluster. So after that, in software configuration, let me select Spark. Because I am going to use Spark. So I am going to use Spark application. So let me select Spark, and then after that, I will be going to leave this setting as it is. As default M5X large, and then after that, we can also scale our instances. For now I am just using 3 instances. By default it will take one instance as master and other 2 instances core nodes. That is slave. That is slave. And then after that we have to select our key. We have to select our key. I am selecting here my key. So after selecting your key, after selecting your key, you have to process. And in other processing other permissions, like I will leave those things as it is. And then in EMR role also I am also keeping it as by default. That is provided. I am taking that thing. So here we go. So here we go, and let's create a cluster. Now let me hit enter, and then just create a cluster. So it will take time, and then now as you can see, our cluster is starting, and it will also it will also take time, okay, for the creation. So we will have to wait for that things. And then also actually it takes more than 10 to 15 minutes. So uh, I will be uh, I will be skipping this video till our cluster starts. So let's. So hey guys, so our cluster our cluster is ready now. It has been gone to the waiting state. Okay, so now we can perform our other operations. So it has gone from static to waiting state. Now we can perform our operations. So firstly we will set up our we will give us we will set up our master, okay, for by providing security group. Just click on this link, and here we will do some configuration. Okay, for that we will open that link, and then after that it will open. We have to add security group to our master, and here, okay, just select this master. Okay, no, don't select slave, just select master, and then after that just click here in inbound rules, and then just click in edit inbound rules. So after clicking edit inbound rules, okay, we have to add. Okay, just click here and add a rule, and just select SSS, and then in custom here also just select anywhere IPv4. So and then after that just save the rules. It will help us to access from our terminal. Okay, so we can access our master now. So and after that, okay, after doing these things, okay, let me go here, and then we have to connect our master. So just click it here, connect to the master node. Okay, by using I am using Linux. So let me just copy this, and then after copying this, okay, I have to launch this in my terminal. Okay, so let me go, and my pmkey file is here. So I am switching to this directory, and then just copy paste, and then just hit enter. Say yes, and then it will launch our EMR. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, actually this file was not here. Okay, this file is directly here. So let me hit enter, and it will now get access to our pmkey file. So let the script run, and we just have to wait till our script run. And here as you can see, our EMR EMR is open. So firstly, okay, we will go and download our file, okay, script file from our S3. So for that we will use command aws s3 cp, and we have to give our file path. And just give your file name, and that is cpu log data .py, and then just hit enter. Okay, sorry. Actually, and as you can see, our let me hit ls, and then here, as you can see, my file is here. So EMR AWS provides Spark submit automatically, so we just have to type Spark Spark submit, and we have to give our file name, script file name. So this CPU log data, and let me hit enter. As you can see, my program is running. And our program is running, so let's see will it run or not. So it will take some time, and then as you can see, our output is coming. Okay, and as you can see, our output is coming in. So here our program has run successfully using our Python script. So you can after doing this, okay, you can also take screenshots. Okay, our program is successfully run. So well, that's it for this video. And after completing your program, okay, processing of your program, just terminate all of your cluster. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much.